That sound doesn't get old. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Just filling up Shadow again on gas because we're running low. I've been driving it a lot more than usual. Just went ahead and bought some brake pads for the S2000. I think I'm out of brakes on that car too, so got some brakes for that car. Bro, I gotta show you the roof. This thing looks nasty. Check it out. I gotta do something about this. I know I'm always saying that I'm gonna fix the roof on the EVO, and I never do, but I promise I got something coming, something special for the roof. Just wait. You guys already know I gotta start out the day with some G Fuel. So let's crack this one open. All right, let's get this day started because I got a lot of work to do. All right, boys, so by the title and thumbnail, you guys already know I picked up a new bumper for the EVO from my good friend Dustin, who gave it to me for a very good price. So I think it was a great price. I just gotta paint it because his EVO is a silver color and mine is the graphite gray. So gotta do a little paint job on the bumper. It's gonna look so sick once it's on the car. I'll show you guys once we get home. So in the last video, I installed my HKS blow-off valve along with the upper intercooler piping on the EVO. And I know a lot of you guys, I knew it. I knew you guys were gonna say that my car was gonna run like shit and it was gonna idle weird and all this crazy stuff. And I get it. I'm still running on the mass airflow sensor, but the car is fine. Like it runs fine. It may not be fine. I might need like a little tune, but the car is fine. Idle's fine. I'll show you guys a little rev right now. See? Car's fine. No hiccups, no hesitation. It goes pretty good on their boost. I'll give you guys a little rip in a minute. Everything's fine. So I made it back home and here is the new front bumper. This thing is sick. The main difference is this part right here where you're gonna be able to see my entire intercooler on the car versus the one I have right now, where if you follow this line right here, it pretty much goes up to here. So it doesn't really have this bottom area. This one's pretty cool too because it also comes with a front splitter, which adds to the front of the car. I do have to sand the whole thing because this is obviously not the color of my car, but that's not a big deal. We'll just grab a little bit of sandpaper and start sanding off the paint. I'm gonna start off by masking the bottom portion of the bumper with this 3M auto tape. That way I don't scratch up the bottom part because I want to leave the bottom part black. I'm just gonna paint whatever is silver on here. So that's the first step on painting the bumper. I'll be starting to sand the bumper with 220 grit sandpaper. I didn't want to go out and buy more sandpaper, so this is the roughest sandpaper I had. If I see that I can't get most of this paint off with this, I'll go out and buy some, but should be doing the trick. I just finished masking the bottom part of the bumper. I'm gonna start spraying before it starts getting late. Let's see how it turns out. Guys, so I just finished spraying the primer and this thing came out pretty good actually. Check it out. I kind of just want to paint the EVO white now. I'm gonna let this dry overnight, and if the weather is good tomorrow, then I'll spray the paint tomorrow and then the clear coat on top of that. But what do you guys think? Your boy's shoe still got it.
The next day.
So I just finished spraying the front bumper and this thing came out really good. I can't believe I keep pulling this off out of my backyard. I did get a few drips because my spray gun was acting up, so a little bit there, not too bad. I'm gonna have the canards right there anyways, and I also had another drip right here, but this is where the license plate's gonna be, so you're not gonna be able to see that. It's been drying for about an hour. I'm gonna take off this paper so it doesn't get stuck with the clear coat and then accidentally pull it off later and mess up my paint job. Just gonna let this dry overnight. Maybe tomorrow or the next day I will drill holes for the license plate and also for the canards, and then it'd be time to install this bumper. On her own, she's been grabbing the GoPro. She always sees me messing around with it. I might make her own channel pretty soon. Once more? No? I don't know. Lily channel?